Nong yalam kaliang persya hapo kejela obadairu UMLA jang keseng TMC u Dr. Mukul Sangma ulang bakat ba keseng kalong ke balapli bandon ke Jingïakren lang bat ki parlok hapo ke India block hakaway na kisit MP kalat kalong bakila Ïakhun na baro atli kisit hakajela ulang baki parti hapo ke India block kidang ya persyang banwat la kandang don syushu ke Jingïakren Beit hakano kuno kejela ong biang ulong yalam ke TMC ula ong ru ba ke don ke jing pen ne kedau balada kum kine kerai kadon kajingnya penyeso halor kajing temu jong ke India block kala abandon kajing Ïakhun ke ba atli kisit bat kala don ru kajing pelilat bat ki porlok ban Ïakhun tang na kawai kesit bat kawai kesit tela Thikna Beit ban Ïakhun MP.
You see, we are discussing. In fact, some names are evolving. Some names have been already coming as suggestion. But there is one thing, because the parties in India bloc at least are still trying to have will there be any more adjustment in any of the states in as far as the seat adjustments are concerned by the constituent political parties in India bloc is concerned. Therefore, we are awaiting in as far as Meghalaya is concerned. But our indication from TMC is there. If this kind of decision eventually give fruition to the intent of the India bloc, then let us look at the two seats, and we are open to at least corroborating with other partners in one of the seats, and one seat we will definitely contest. Contesting two also. It also depends on how these discussions unfolds. Since this decision, when taken at the level of the chairperson, then only I can say final. I am not going to say it's final, because the decision has to be taken at the particular forum which is chaired by the chairperson.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center